Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside shower, backup camera ready, outside storage, double step entry, LED exterior lighting, flip down travel rack, outside kitchen refrigerator, outside speakers, electric awning, solar power prep, spare tire, stabilizer jacks, overhead storage, range hood with exhaust fan and light, overhead kitchen storage, windows at each bunk, USB charging station, carbon monoxide detector, LP leak detector, fire extinguisher, detachable power cord, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, double door refrigerator, interior speakers, smoke detector, sink covers, bathroom tub shower combo, queen size bed, tire pressure monitors. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.